truly the best platform I have ever seen. It really gives you the system to follow through and the community to support you. I'm Dr. Andrea Wieland and have been involved since 2022. I already have a Ph.D. in psychology, kind of more, but as soon as I got immersed into what Heroic was offering, I was committed to see it all the way through to become a certified Heroic coach. I have been conducting workshops for 3 decades. So I came here wanting to, kind of get permission and blessing from the Heroic community to lead the workshops their way or their branded way, and figured, one, it's going to be a powerful experience for myself. I'm going to be part of a community, and I'm going to sort of have that permission to deliver it in the way that would speak most powerfully to the transformational experience it can be. And it lived up to that and beyond. So those who are expert facilitators or coaches or do their own workshops, it is going to be a absolutely fabulous, impactful experience for you to expand what you're maybe already doing. Even if you know a lot already, this will take you to a deeper and next level that's actually sustainable after the workshop experience. So not just having had the experience, it's what it's going to do for you long term. It is the blueprint to be able to repeatedly come back to and sustain you over the course of your life. It is very easily understandable and very easily implementable if you decide to embrace that consistent change. I use Heroic with my psychology clients, and I also use it with teams. It gets deeply into understanding who you are. It helps you understand that those challenges have made you stronger. And then looking at who you want to be today and into the future, it gives you kind of the energy and the permission to go after those goals and recognize that it's not going to be easy, and it's not supposed to be easy, but that you too have the strength to go through it. It is truly the best platform I have ever seen. I kind of wish I had done something like this, but I know what Brian has done with his team is take it 100x what I would have ever done with it. Yes, it is a big commitment, but that's where transformation comes from. Yes, you can dabble around a little bit here, there, and everywhere, but it really gives you the system to follow through and the community to support you. Having a community of like-minded people who still have their idiosyncratic or unique way of expressing how the material has impacted them is priceless, really. To be able to talk a common language, yet also know the depth of the experience that people have had in utilizing it, I think makes for an exponentially more powerful experience.